I found a way to use multiple AI models and build AI agents without spending money. In this video, I'll show you how to access multiple leading AI models through available free options and platforms, and how to use Gumloop to build powerful AI agents that automate real tasks. No hacks, no fake promises, just a practical, step-by-step guide. And one of the most interesting things about it is that it gives you access to several models completely free. Let's get into it.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Just visit gumloop.com, and this is the website. Here you can see this is the home page, and I will give this website link in this video description and in a first comment also. And here you can see task automated to date, and this is the number you can see. So just click on this get started. Then you need to first create an account with your Google account or Microsoft. If you had already account, then click on this sign in. I had already created one account, so let's click on this sign in and continue with Google. Here you can see I had successfully logged in my account. So this is the name. Let's remove this edit. By default it takes name from Gmail, or click on this continue. You can simply ignore this. Here you can see how did you hear about Gumloop. Skip. We don't want to answer this. Skip. Then click on this continue. Skip. And this is the officially AI agent homepage. So here you can see start simply new chat, and this is the already new chat. And here you can see agent preference, and here you can see Gemini and Claude Opus, DeepSeek V4 Flash, and here you can see different LLM like Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, DeepSeek, Minimax, Queen. Here you can see simply click on this Anthropic and select which model you want to use. Suppose you want to use Opus or Haiku or Sonnet, simply select, and here you can see Claude 4.8 Opus selected. You can switch different LLM from here. Here you can see OpenAI, GPT 5.5, GPT 5.4, GPT 5.4 mini, nano, codex, and in a Google 3.1 Pro, 3.5 Flash, 3 Flash, and for the DeepSeek V4 Flash, DeepSeek V4 Pro, and same Minimax, Queen, JAI, GLM 5.2. So simply select I want to try this Claude Opus. So let's build something by this gumloop.com AI agent. I had already created one short prompt. Here you can see create landing page for me where I will promote my weight loss product. Please improve this prompt, and this is the dummy prompt. So let's build a landing page website by this Claude Opus model. Then simply click on this send message. Let's see what type of result comes by this gumloop.com and Claude Opus 4.8 model.
I
And here you can see our landing page is created, and this is the first copy. Let's open in a new tab to show clearly. You can also download. Here you can see option download and share. Here you can see download option, and this is our landing page website. You can customize it according to you. This is the first copy, and almost everything is dummy. Here you can see FAQ section, footer, and the pricing, 30 days money back guarantee. This is the data stat. This is the comparison transformation that inspire, and this is the hero section. So this is the completely free. You can use any model LLM in a free. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Bihas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.